Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gmail with Zapier using AI follow-up sequences, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting Sign Up. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger app search bar, type and select Gmail. Choose an appropriate trigger event, such as new email or new labeled email. Click on the Continue button. Now, you need to connect your Gmail account. Click on Sign in to Gmail. A new window will appear prompting you to log in to your Gmail account. Enter your credentials and allow Zapier the necessary permissions. Once connected, select your Gmail account from the drop-down menu. Click Continue to proceed. Next, set up the trigger options according to your preferences. Test the trigger by clicking Test Trigger. Ensure everything is working correctly before moving on. Now, you can add an action app. Search for and select Zapier. Choose AI follow-up sequences as the action. Click Continue. Now, configure the AI follow-up options to your specifications. Fill in any necessary fields, such as follow-up frequency or content. Once you have set everything up, click Continue. It's time to test your action. Click on Test Action to ensure the follow-up sequence works as expected. After confirming everything is functioning properly, click Turn on Zap to activate your connection. Congratulations! You have successfully connected Gmail with Zapier using AI follow-up sequences. Now you can automate your email follow-ups effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.